How to move layers in Gimp. Easiest way is to simply choose a move tool, and then you need to left click on the image or the layer that you wish to move, and you can move that layer. As you can see, I'm moving this layer or this layer here. But if you have a transparent background like I have in this layer here, when I click here, for example, as you can see, I am moving the background layer. Now the reason that happens is because by default, here you can see it was chosen pick a layer or a guide. But when I choose here, move the active layer only, then I can move only this layer. Here you can choose which layer is active. For example, when I click here, now this layer is active and I can move only this layer. No matter where I click, I will move only active layer. But if you wish to move both layers together, what you need to do, you simply need to link these two layers. How to do that? You can simply click here and then click here to link these two layers, and I will move these layers together. Now to move them separately again, I can simply unchain or unlink these two layers, and then I will again move these layers independently. Okay, and as you can see, I'm moving this layer. So again, pick a layer or a guide, and I will move only this layer when I click on that layer. Okay, alternatively, what you can do is you can right click here and then go here on edit layer attributes. Here you have more options. You can link layers, you can lock pixels, lock position, and choose the exact position of your layer. As you can see, there is much more options, but like I said, simplest way is to simply use a move tool and move layers, or simply link these two layers to move them together. So this is how you move layers in Gimp.